Welcome to week 7. Here's what I hope you'll have done before I see you again on Wednesday. First up, we are going to battle the punctuation. So feel free to go ahead and play it and see how far you can get. Remember, there's a timer in the right-hand corner, and the totals that you will need for each sentence can be located right here where I am moving the mouse. Afterwards, this is the Grease song, We Go Together, to illustrate the idea of putting ideas and sentences together when appropriate. This document on fanboys and conjunctive adverbs will once again review the coordinating conjunctions, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, that remember all have very particular meanings, and conjunctive adverbs that go with semicolons. The third rule is the subordinate or the dependent, or, as I called it, the child. This does have a subject and a verb, but not a complete thought. These are really the three ways to combine ideas together. So after reviewing this document, go ahead and practice with the fanboys, conjunctive adverbs, and subordination. When you take these quizzes, you can either display all of the questions at once or just one at a time. Furthermore, click Start Assignment Now, and once you're finished, go ahead and click Review. This will give you your answers and the correct answers. Lastly, the midterm practice is right here. Now, if you have not completed the midterm practice, I would not suggest looking at the answers. Number 1, as we discussed in class, is a subject-verb agreement problem. All you need to do, however, is correct the sentence. The quality of the candies is poor. The quality is poor of the candies is a prepositional phrase. Number 2 is a pronoun agreement issue. Everyone is singular. Everyone must carry his, her own bags. Number 3 was a run-on sentence. I simply added a comma to go with the fanboy to separate these two complete ideas. Number 4 was a misplaced modifier. The original clause, which she needed for her presentation, was sitting right next to the word television. She did not need the television for her presentation. What she needed were papers. Therefore, I moved what she needed for her presentation to the middle of the sentence, as you see right here, and I bracketed it in double commas. A question such as this one on the exam would be worth 3 points. 1 point for moving the modifier and 2 points for the commas. Number 5 was a comma splice. I simply changed the comma to a semicolon and I kept my conjunctive adverb in there. Now I have the correct punctuation to hold these two complete ideas together. Number 6 was a run-on. I simply put a semicolon and there was a comma missing between poems and which. So this one would be worth 2 points. Notice I did not go around changing words. Rather, I just fixed the grammatical issues. Just fix the grammar. Also on Wednesday, I will collect the assignment called Conquer the Comma. If you remember the assignment, it is 3 paragraphs with no commas. So just copy these 3 paragraphs and paste them into a Microsoft Word file. All you have to do is review the rules, insert commas wherever necessary. If you can highlight them in yellow or gray, it would be very helpful in the grading process. Submit hard copy in class. I hope you have a wonderful week.